Boys and girls, this is Mrs. Mouton, and I'm going to show you how to use the log method to add and subtract unlike fractions with unlike denominators. So the first one is 1/10 plus 4/5. We started the same way as you would with like fractions by writing the fraction and then modeling the fraction. There are 10 equal parts. The denominator tells us that, so we need 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our focus part, which is our numerator, tells us that only one of them is shaded. So we only shade one. This time we can't isolate the numerator down here because our denominators are different. So we write the next fraction, which is 4/5. And then we model the next fraction. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our numerator tells us that 4 of them need to be shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're done, we notice that these two fractions don't match. They do not have the same denominator. So our job is going to be to continue to put enough fractions until we have the same denominator. We need for it to have the same number of equal parts so that we can either add or subtract. And we do that by putting another fraction. We have 4/5 down here, but it's not long enough. So because it's the one that's short, we're going to add another 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we shade in 1, 2, 3, 4. When we did that, we made our models the same. So now they have the same denominator. They are now tenths. We started out with 4/5, but we no longer have 4/5 because now this fraction has 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 becomes our new denominator. And the shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 becomes our new numerator. The first fraction did not change. It's still 1/10 because there are 10 equal parts and one of them is shaded. So now we have 1/10 plus 8/10. We can either put it this way and do the same thing that we normally do with fractions with the same denominators. Add the numerators. 1 plus 8 is 9. Call over the denominator because the fractional part did not change. Equals 10, 9/10. Or we can just draw our model, which we know it's tenths because that hasn't changed, and then count the equal parts that we have. Let's do a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We put the 1/10 and the 4 and the 8/10 together. To now create 9